Hear the calling, no in the night, but in the stillness, be still and know. Jaja Kasi. Yeah, yeah. No, no, yeah. Hear the calling from the hill, quiet voice but strong and still. No by force but by your will. Peace where time can't kill. When the world get loud and cold, and the weight feel hard, feel old, still that whisper reach me soul. Call me back home. Holy Mount Zion, call me from the pain straight to liberty. Lift me, I make me see why you are for me. Holy Mount Zion, me arise, even though tear they in me eye. Up beyond this broken sky, your promise never die. To the mother stand up strong alone. I try build our youth them home. Every tear the father know, you know they alone. To the better well lost him way. Job gone, bill still a fi pay. Still there, hope beyond today. Jaja I go make a way. To the heart we get betrayed. Love we once strong, now afraid. Grace still cover every scar we make no afraid. No afraid. And when we upon the Lord shall renew them strength. To the sick we can't find rest, pain heavy upon them chest. Even there so you still bless. Held in our embrace, I have grown no far again. Even with your hidden scar, Jah know exactly where you are. Shine like the star you are. Surrender up your heart, then you will. Trust the climb, be patient still. Even in a deep valley chill, purpose him I go fulfill. Drink the living water deep, promise him always keep. Even when you sow it, tear and weep, Jah you are go reap. Holy Mount Zion call me from the pain straight to liberty. Lift me, I make me see why you are for me. Holy Mount Zion, me arise, even though tear they in me eye. Hope beyond this broken sky, your promise never die. Calling, 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 Zion calling. Rise, rise, keep on walking. Peace remain forever and ever. Jah know, Jah know.